Good evening YouTube, good evening the Silver Forum. Just a quick unboxing this evening. We've got the 2022 Brilliant Uncirculated 5 Sovereign piece. No mention of matte on there, but it is a matte coin. Let's see what it says on the back. No mention of a matte. We'll get it cracked open, we can have a look together. These, as of this evening, are sold out at the Royal Mint. I believe the Piedfort ones are still available, but I think they're in limited numbers. So we can have a look at this together. And it is a lovely matte finish. It's quite unusual, the finish on this. It's matte, but it also looks like it's got a semi sort of pearlescence to the overall finish of the coin. And I've had a real good look at this coin as well before I filmed this, and it's spotless. Normally me and matte sovereigns don't normally get on, because I've been quite unlucky in the past to get a few with a bit of frosting issues. And with these being an incredibly expensive coin, I think you've got the right to be a little bit picky over these. Retail wise, these were to around about 2,650 off the top of my head, around about that sort of money. I might not be quite accurate with that, but it's around about that sort of money. Excuse me, I've had a long day, but overall it's a lovely coin. We can have a look at the bump inside. Yeah, so there was a total mintage of 810. I presume the rest will go into some kind of set, so possibly the Traveller picks, you never know. And these 750 went on sale the other day, and I think it took about a day for them to sell out, maybe a little bit longer. So for a mid-year £5 BU, that's pretty fast. The previous years wasn't tremendously popular, but with this being a special year, it's obvious it was going to sell out. And with it being a mintage of 750, any sovereign minted in 750 or sold at 750 and 810 maximum mintage, it's a goer as far as I'm concerned. It's a very low mintage coin, looks spectacular, lovely coin. I was happy to get my hands on that. And we can have a look at the Piedfort Sovereign 2022 gold proof coin, and it's Piedfort, folks. Stop saying Piedfort, it is Piedfort. Bit of a history lesson here. Piedfort, it roughly translates or loosely translates as large foot or large footprint. And the reason why these are called Piedfort, the sort of pronunciation gives it away. It is a French word, and it was brought around in the medieval times when they were minting coins, and they made the coins double thickness for two practical reasons. The first one is where they could actually strike the blank or the planchette at higher pressure, so they can get more definition into the coin for evaluating and assessing the coin. And secondly, for other practical reasons, it was made thicker so they didn't lose it. It was easy identifiable amongst the other pattern unproved coins they were making at the time. And around that sort of time, very quickly they started passing on the Piedfort visiting dignitaries, VIPs, other royal families. So that's how the tradition of the Piedfort coins came about. It's I keep on saying Piedfort, folks, it's not Piedfort. I listen to professional coin people on YouTube channel, and they still call it Piedfort or Piedfort. It's Piedfort. So we'll crack on. These were minted in quite high numbers. I don't know off the top of my head about looking at the COA. Yeah, so there's 3,250 as available this evening. There are some available, but I think these will sell out quickly. Maximum mintage of 3,360, so there's another 110 going somewhere. I presume there'll be some fancy sets made up towards the end of the year with all the different sovereigns in there. I'm suspecting that. But it's a proof coin, so it's lovely and shiny. And again, that looks quite nice. It's bags of detail, I'll give it that. It's and I would have to say now, I've only got these slabbed in NGC cases. I haven't got a loose one at hand yet, but this one looks like it's in high relief. So I would suspect this one has been struck with more pressure to give it a slightly extra definition, but it's hard to see it there. But it is definitely in higher relief than the standard proof coin. It is to my semi-professional eye. And it's what you'd expect from proof. And it is a milled edge. You can see there it's grained or milled, is however you want to put it. Grained and milled, either one's acceptable. There were a case of was it going to be unmilled. I didn't think for 1 second it would be, because there was a special Piedfort 5-coin set which was unmilled, a pattern set. I would have given my left man parts to get my hands on one of them. I did try, but I think there was like 70 of those sets, and unfortunately I wasn't a lucky enough person to get one of them. I'm quite surprised the amount of money I give the Royal Mint, but hey ho, I'm not bitter about that, honest. So look at that tonight. We'll have it side by side before we finish. So that gives you a good idea of overall the size and the matte against the proof finish. And they're about the same thickness, which is quite a good example there. So these are double the thickness, these Piedfort Sovereigns, and I will keep saying Piedfort till everybody starts saying Piedfort, not Piedfort. So thanks for watching tonight, folks. I might show this £5 in another video with a few more £5. It'd be rude not to, but that's a lovely finish and relatively spotless. Well, it is spotless. I'm pleased with that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Ta-da.